Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this. We're going to make a place a beam in each door and window as a lintel in lintel position. If we and this is we have to create with this lintel and place this window and this door lintel with this dynamo, and it be automation process. I just show you for example, if we as you see, there is a multiple floor and wall place in multiple floor, and also place set door and window. If we run this script, just specify the levels and beam type lintel type, and also specify the wall and also and window. I just run this script. As you see, all lintel set in the top of set in all windows in all levels. In similar way, if we change the category, say door, change the category, say door, and run this script. See, all lintel set in this all doors. Okay, so let's start how to create this script. We're gonna show this process. Just close this dynamo player, open a dynamo application. Okay, so select model element, then select this is the wall, or select, and also just copy this node, and this one is window or door. Select this for now, this door. Get location and connect to this one, and I just run it. Select this wall, run this script, and also copy it and connect to this one. Say run this script, get location. I need to find out the door width and height. So to find this door width and height, you can get this another node, get parameter value by name, and also we need to copy another node, copy it, and element type, and connect to this door element to this element type, and now connect to this for get parameter value by name, and create a code block and say write the parameter name, and also height, connect to this width parameter. And so when we connect this parameter, we can get the value of this width and also this height. Now reverse, we need to find out the direction of this line direction. Now connect to this line direction, and after that translate direction and distance. So the point is here. Now connect to this point and need to copy the another node of this geometry translate. Copy it, paste. The vector is this one, also the point is this one. No, this one, and we need to create. We need another node for reverse vector. Reverse vector. Now connect to this vector and also this one. And now create a code block, say x5 2 x by 2 plus y say 1. Connect this one and the width is this here to this distance and also this distance. Now we can get the 2 points, and now create a list. Now translate again, copy this node, copy it, paste. So this point and direction is z. So connect this z axis direction and distance is this height. Okay. So now create a line. Poly curve dot by point, and also need another node, say poly curves. Okay. If we connect this point and now this point, we can get the polyline and also curve, because this one is this curve needs for the place beam. I just delete for now. Select all visible and view, delete. Now beam structural framing. Structural framing type. Structural framing type, and also need another node, beam dot by curve. The beam is the 4 by 6 and connect to the structural framing, and curve is this one, and levels is level 1. So this one is input, also computer input, and also this one is input, and also this one is input. Save it. Now close this dynamo and open a dynamo player. So select the door and run it. Okay, select the window, select another door and run it. Select the door, run it. Select window, run it. Okay, so that's how we place a lintel in every door and window in every level. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see in next video tutorial. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.